Well, my fellow humanoids, it's time to procrastinate again. We haven't done our jobs today. We have been to the hardware shop. We have gathered materials to build the garage, the repurposing of the garage to my ultimate man cave. And tomorrow, we have to do some. We have to make some concrete. Make the casting of the foundation for the wall so we can keep it nice and dry. Then we need to custom order our door. Oh, look at this. This is the church. We like to hide in the stairwell. If you don't know it. Oh, did I drive past it? Yes, I did. Okay. We emergency evasive maneuvers. Thank you. Come again.
The enemy has most of the strategic zones.
Oh my god. Hey, what the hell? Look I thought I had my biggest shit on. Yeah. Apparently not. Well. So that brings me to this order of the day. Where is it? There it is. Well, anyways, where were we at? Yes, bragging. Our favorite subject. We will take number 3. Number 3, one load of number 3, please. That's combined incendiary and I think armor piercing. Don't hang me on it because I'm an idiot. What the hell? There's more aircraft coming in. P-47, which is that's not a Thunderbolt, is it? Oh my god.
Our victory is near.
We shall take this is something nice, huh? Well, we just have to. N1K, isn't that a Japanese cunt? Yes, it is. We will take Incendiary for 500, Jim. God damn it! Can't hit for shit. Yes. Oh, you know when you're going to lose is when you're flying a lot of shit. Not that goddamn. Oh. Well, at least I didn't die. Famous last words, by the way. P-38. That is definitely enough. God damn it! I need proximity fuses or something like that. Yeah, went even, huh? Even Steven. That was leeching, first degree leeching. Anyways, we are off. Did we get any congratulatory auxiliary tokens? No. So basically, what are we doing at the moment besides doing the garage? Yes. We are actually doing firmware videos and stuff with firmware that you cannot say on YouTube's. So if you want to see stuff like that, I shall post them on Rumble. And otherwise you will just see the more innocent ways of more innocent firmwaring ways. We need to get out of here. Go to the chopper. Yes. There's so seldom I play this direction, huh? Didn't even make a scratch. Oops. Whoopsie! Definitely got their attention. Готова? I'm not getting anybody at this. But готова. Oi! Restore a meal? No, no. He actually shot me through the. Oh yes, I was behind that goddamn bunker. He shot me through it, huh? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What do we got here? Actually, we got armor piercing, explosive, incendiary.
We no longer have the advantage.
We no longer have the advantage. Let's take this loser tank here. Oh god damn it, I forgot again. It's tough to be a goddamn retard, huh? Come on! Not even a goddamn scratch on the. Even if I hit him on the Gatoba, goddammit. Yes. We better get Narcissismus here on the road. No. He's somebody got marshmallows. God damn it. Готово. I think готово. Who's he's also great at choosing shells.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Внимание, воздух! Танк, 2 метра. Дистанция 500 метров. Цель подбита. Thanks. Танк, 3 часа. Дистанция 550 метров. Бронебойным готово.
Katova. Yes. I was all out Katova, man. I not there's something about Scheisen Tyson. Didn't I have any I got the M5 and oh yeah, I should. Ah no. Oh no. I was greatly mistaken, huh? It was it here, huh? Yes. We got our trusty AA. It has to be enough to bring us. Oh my god. Run, 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 run. No bombs here or what? I was a good well, that was fun. Better if I won and not leached. So, how are you doing? We are going to continue our insane quest of trying to get something done here, which is not. Oh, my God. And by hate map. Oh, I just want to. If it was a matter of premium, I would have gotten premium to get rid of this map. When you have premium, you can you can boycott X amount of I can't remember now, but you can boycott X amount of maps, which is bloody awesome because this is a hate map. Готово. Yes, and just need to die a little bit faster. Oh my God, I hate this map. With all the goddamn being that I am. Turkish air fryer. Nothing more disgusting than anything Turkish. Almost as bad as socialism. And that people. Did you die somehow? That was on
Цель уничтожена!
bastard. Bastard!
Внимание, воздух! Вижу повреждения! Цель уничтожена! 2 часа! Близко!
Excellent. That much out of the way. Oh, thank God, man. Makes me goddamn want to uninstall the game. Look at that. We are not going to play that, I think. We are going to... What are we going to level? Are we leveling... What are we leveling, actually? Where are we at? We are here. Are we? Can I level that one? Okay. 26, 14, 18, 26. And I got that 3.3 now. What's this? 2.3 T80. We're gonna level this. And of course I'm gonna take that. And what was this other cock thingy here? We could have leveled the KV2, but we are at KV1S, and we're leveling this one, yeah. Okay, let's just take it then. To battle. Yeah, I got my ass handed over by this monstrosity several times, even though I shut it up with everything that I got and killed the crew. It still operated, so I'm looking forward for playing that actually when I think about it. And this monstrosity city. Basically a city map. Let's try this on for size. We got timed fuse.
По местам! Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Наводчик к бою готов! Снаряжающий к бою готов!
Can I put those down? Those legs.
Есть вперед!
say?
150 метров.
Yeah, yeah. Are you shooting? Who is shooting? What is shooting? And what are you shooting at? This is not something I should go and drive around with.
Танк, 7 часов. Дистанция 800 метров.
We've captured most of the strategic zones. Our victory is near.
I can hope somebody comes through here. Driving fast, recklessly. Because I am somewhat hidden. There is some movement here. We are under attack from somewhere. Yeah, the Sherman is dead. Shall we try to...
Танк, 10 часов. Дистанция
Thank you very much. Come again.
Танк, 11 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Нас подбили. Воздух.
He also shoots through.
Заряжающий без сознания.
He shoots through the SME.
Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
One bird dog. Is that supposed to be? We are going to play that one. Yes, of course we are. Why not? sweet leeching points.
We're controlling most of the zones.
Вперед! Есть вперед!
Well, second last. Huh? That is like 14th best. Something like that. Na 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 na. We got their inclination. Gibbonston. Okay, I think I want. I like those. I think we should take that. Even though we got Frax and Scheisse and Dyson to take care of first, but accurate fire or something like that, something similar. What's this? High velocity. Let's take that. And let's see if we got some crew trainings here. Yeah, we got the lower tiers. We're gonna take that one as well. Just I don't know if they work yet. The let's try to play this a little bit. It's like 121 millimeters of penetration. So height, eh?
Закрыть люки. Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к
Готово.
бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
That's lunatic. People are getting Katowice all the time now, huh?
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Oh my god, look at the... we need the opposite. We need to be up a hill here, huh?
6 часов. Дистанция 600 метров.
On a slope downward. Oh, my turn got them correct. Something like that.
7 часов. Дистанция 800 метров.
The victory is near.
I
Танк 7 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Танк 7 часов. Дистанция 800 метров. ЗСУ 7 часов. Дистанция 750 метров. Фугасным. Танк 7 часов. Дистанция 550 метров. Фугасным готово. Танк
my god. Somebody's lucky today. Oh. Nice. Готово. Come on! That's a bastard! Okay. Did I get oh my god, did I get so I could choose between one of the two. 35. Thank you. I got them again. Excellent. Look at that, we got the improved parts, and we definitely need some kind of that exactly. And we're gonna take those low living hanging fruits. Yes. And I think we're gonna be right back here. Something like that. Yes. So, where are we at? Looking forward to go past 90 kilos and into the 80s. But it's a battle. We are going to take this bastard. We are going for A. Okay, we are not going for A straight away.
Заряжающий к бою готов.
We're going to overlook C. We're not going on C. Exactly, we're going on top here. If I remember correctly. Mommy. Oh, bastard. So we are trying to take that monstrosity. I wonder if I could put those legs down to give me better perch.
We're ahead of the enemy.
12 часов. Дистанция 900 метров.
The stupid thing about this stupid thing is that I need to be like on a hill to do anything.
Авиация на подлете.
Вперед! Есть вперед!
Attention to the map. Воздух.
Oh. Oh, wait, yeah, it's not for me. There is my old former self in all my glory. So, we got enemies to... Oh my lord. Definitely got enemies here, up here. Oh, scheißen Dyson. You need to aim it like this.
Авиация на подлете.
It's there, up here. Is he coming down here or what? Okay. I've been seeing that. God damn it. God damn it. Both heavy caliber and a machine gun. Overpowered, huh?
The enemy has captured most of the strategic zones.
Один час! Дистанция 600 метров!
Yeah.
Zones are under enemy control.
Anyways, let's continue our quest with the leveling. Could have been faster. Could have been better. Could have been everything else but this. But you know, when the skills are not reaching the levels that are needed to play this game, you cannot complain. So, what a waste of 15% today. But there you go. And this is not progressing anything. This is a very small tank, huh? If I remember correctly. Oh, sweet Lord. Yeah, I better sweep out my MasterCard or Visa, whatever I have, and try to pay for this game so I can block these goddamn maps. Rather wait for 20 hours.
Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Наводчик к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов! Attack the aim point!
I used my ammo, huh? We need to, there's a shit.
10 часов. Дистанция 350 метров.
Thank you. Anything but goddamn aircraft.
Авиация на подлете.
Under control.
Well.
Авиация на подлете. 12 часов. Дистанция 1100 метров. Танк 11 часов. Дистанция 700 метров. Воздух! Огонь! Very much. Танк 11 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Цель уничтожена. Бронебойным готово.
Готово.
11 часов.
Too late.
Дистанция 900 метров.
Is he coming out again? Oh my god, useless experience. Well, what's your work experience? I cannot predict where tanks are at in War Thunder. You're hired. And I'm master procrastinator and I damn low too. I really like to reverse my tank.
Бронебойным готово. Самолет 12 часов. Дистанция
That's for sure. I am the greatest tank reverser of all time.
Отлично, ребята, ставьте чайник.
Yes. Give me something good. $1 million. Sniper. And I got the high velocity version. Which are these? We definitely want to have a little bit speed on our shit now. And we should. What's our research? 10,000. Do we look at that, and we can check our crew. We can get that vitality going. And something vitality here, yeah. So, should we take one last one? I think I'm losing money, ain't I? I was started at 300,000, now I'm down to 252 ISK. What are we doing here? We are, let's see. Yeah, we forgot to take this one, huh? And we should have that instead of this. We're going to take this one here. 125 millimeters of freedom. That is in position number 2.
Экипаж к бою. Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов. Подкалиберный.
We are going to follow that Bruno Martian. Are we gonna peek out and look at that tank? No. Perhaps. Perhaps a little bit. Oh, look at that. Kamini Kamosa, the fast Katova. Let's take number 4 here now. After this, 46 of number 4. Damn it! Yeah, Bruno Mars. Peekaboo. Готово. How many Katoas are to a meter?
Бронебойным готово. Вижу повреждения. Нас подбили.
Ah!
Горим. Один час. Упор. Готовится.
God damn it.
Авиация на подлете.
Cheeky freaky. Cheeky freaky. Well, there was silence as Pel's fundamentals wept himself to sleep. 300,000 suddenly became 250 as his lucky strike fell. Yes, I think that was that for today, unfortunately for me. But there is another day tomorrow.